Lincoln, what happened? The doggies woke you up?
Yes, they did. I was not happy at all, Mommy. At all. The nerve, I tell you. The nerve.
Honey.
As a cookie man, as a baby man. Yeah, I know. Tell them how you feel about
You looking at that doggy?
So listen, you, Puma, say you're a dog, and I'm the boss of you. And I'm going to tell your mom that you woke me up. I'm a cookie man. I'm a cookie man. I'm a cookie man. I'm a baby man.
Cookie, cookie.
Hi, Barbara. Your hair looks so nice, Linky. That should be called Lincoln number 2. The brown of browns. Don't you wish you looked like me? Yeah, they do, Linky, but they cannot. Maman, elle parle avec toi, vrai?